Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Mang Inasal franchise business package ideas. Mang Inasal is recognized as the leading chicken inasal in the branded eat-out category in the Philippines, being one of the business units of Jollibee Food Corporation, the largest fast food chain in the Philippines. Mang Inasal has been able to leverage on the existing franchise business system of JFC that ensures high-quality food and exemplary customer service. Building on the resources and success factors of JFC's BUs, Mang Inasal has been successful in penetrating across strategic locations in the Philippine market. Mang Inasal now boasts of over 500 stores in the Philippines. The Department of Trade and Industry and the Philippine Franchise Association recognized Mang Inasal as a Hall of Fame awardee as Outstanding Filipino Franchising in the food and large-scale category. Their mission: to serve great tasting food, bringing the joy of eating to everyone. Who can apply? They are looking for an interested individual with the following qualifications: good corporate or individual standing and reputation. A candidate must have a good business track record, complies with government and industry's regulations, and has a good reputation in the industry. Corporate values and strategic fit with Jollibee. A candidate must have qualities and capabilities that are aligned with our values as an organization and complement our way of doing business. Belief in the brand and commitment to partnership. A candidate must bring high levels of commitment to partner with Mang Inasal in growing the business. Capability to fund and successfully operate the business. A candidate must have a strong financial capability to build and maintain the store. This also includes being able to acquire resources and work with competent personnel to be able to run the business successfully. Capability to acquire sites and manage leases. A candidate must have the capacity and resources to acquire and provide appropriate sites for expansion. For the Mang Inasal products, Mang Inasal's authentic fusion of traditional Filipino cuisine with a dine-in concept. Famous for its native style and nuot sarap chicken inasal with its pioneering unlimited rice, Mang Inasal quickly won the hearts of its customers with its distinctive Pinoy stamp grilling and special marinade made out of local secret spices. The following are their menu: chicken inasal regular, paa large, picho large, halo-halo, palabok, pork barbecue, empanada, liempo inasal, sisig, fiesta meal, and todo sold meal. For the investment details, the franchise term is 10 years and renewable but subject to assessment of franchisee's performance and compliance to renewal requirement of Mang Inasal. The royalty fee is 5% of the total net of sales. For the advertising fee is 3% of net of sales. For the system enrollment fee is worth 1.2 million pesos. The amount is exclusive of VAT. This covers the fees and costs related to services provided by Mang Inasal to enable franchisee to integrate into the system. The estimated capital investment is worth 15 million to 22 million pesos. The capital investment is highly dependent on the type of stores. The store floor area requirements is 200 to 250 square meters. Store frontage is at least 8 to 10 meters. This is exclusive of the parking space. Other details such as specific investment cost, return of investments, and other franchising details will be discussed with you once your application has been approved. Investment details are subject to changes. For the franchise inclusions, Mang Inasal franchise consists of a complete support package that directs to help franchisees operate Mang Inasal quick service restaurant successfully. Operation system, marketing and promotional support, initial hiring and selection, extensive training of store team, construction of the store, equipment and facilities, furniture and fixtures, pre-operating expenses. For the franchise application process, number 1, complete the following initial requirements: signed letter of intent, site preferences which includes the site map, indicate lot and nearby landmarks, Google Maps screenshot of map and satellite view at 100-meter scale. Ensure to mark on the map your proposed location. Second, photos of proposed site or 360 degrees view. Front view 100 meter away and 300 meters away. Across street, both sides of the street. Third, lot plan plus layout indicating the area or lease with measurements or dimensions. Number 4, site development map or floor layout. This is applicable to malls only. And lastly, lease offer or details if available. Number 2, submit these documents through any of the following. It's either by mail or by email. Number 3, for 30 to 60 days, Mang Inasal will review and evaluate the application. If approved, the franchise will be awarded to the applicant within 2 to 3 weeks. The franchise agreement will then be signed. Number 4, after signing the franchise agreement, the franchisee will undergo a training program intended to expose the franchisee to Mang Inasal's store operations. The training program includes classroom courses, seminars, and hands-on training in an existing Mang Inasal outlet. For the contact details, you may contact Mang Inasal Franchising with the address Franchising Division Unit 407, 4th floor Jollibee Plaza, 10F Ortigas Jr. Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Metro Manila, Philippines. You may send them an email at mi.franchising@manginasal.com. You may also call them on their mobile number 63998-495-5643. You can also visit their website at manginasal.com and their Facebook account is Mang Inasal Philippines. For the frequently asked questions, question number 1, what type of franchise is available? Answer, Mang Inasal offers the following type of stores. Number 1, freestanding. This is a standalone and a 2-level store with sufficient parking space. Number 2, mall. This store is located in the vicinity of a mall. Number 3, in-store. This store is located within a building with adjacent tenants of both sides. Number 4, food court. This store is located inside the vicinity of a mall or a structure adjacent to the food vendors and provides a common area for self-serve dining. Question number 2, how long is the payback period? Answer, payback period is dependent on several factors such as sales, market potential investment, and ability of the franchisee to control the operating expenses. Theoretical financial analysis will be provided once the site is approved. Question number 3, who will do the store design and construction? Answer, Mang Inasal shall provide the store design through its design partner. The design fee, however, shall be at the expense of the franchisee. In terms of construction, franchisee shall construct or build its own store following the approved store design. Upon request, Mang Inasal may provide accredited or recognized contractors to franchisee. Further, franchisee may also opt to engage its own contractor subject to approval of Mang Inasal. Question number 4. who does the selection and hiring of manpower to operate the Mang Inasal store? Answer: Mang Inasal will assist in the recruitment and training of the restaurant management team. The team will then become employees of the franchisee, who will be responsible for their compensation and benefits. Question number 5. Does Mang Inasal provide continued support and guidance from start of operations until the end of franchise term? Answer: yes. To be assigned to a franchisee is Mang Inasal's operations team, who will act as field consultants throughout the duration of the franchise term. It should be stressed, however, that the responsibility and accountability of managing the store operations rest on the franchisee. Question number 6. What business model is a franchisee allowed to adopt as it operates a Mang Inasal store? Answer: the franchisee may choose from operating as sole proprietorship or as corporation. For a corporation, the franchisee principal is required to own at least 20% of shares and 67% voting rights. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the franchise of Mang Inasal today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.